AT&T TradingView free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Alright, now if you want to check the price of the AT&T ticker symbol or the stock, go to tradingview.com. You don't even need to be logged into this because as you can see right here, I'm currently not even signed in. Now this is the cool thing about TradingView. Go to the search bar in the middle hand screen and type in AT&T. Now, assuming you typed it in correctly, you should see AT&T on here, but if you don't, you can go under stocks. And now we can see AT&T is currently listed as the third and even the fourth option. I trust NYSE because it's mostly liquid, and as you can see here, currently it is the fourth option. Now once our mouse is here, you want to click launch chart or see overview. In this case, you want to see the chart. Now TradingView has successfully opened up the ticker symbol AT&T or the stock. We can currently see the price is $26.79. Bonus tip, go to the top left hand screen, click next to here, and you can scroll down, and now you can see the daily chart. There's one candle for every price. Top right hand screen, click this. You can even scroll out. You can scroll up or scroll down. As you can see, there are different price points. I recommend going as high up if you want to the 1 month chart, so you get a more expanded overview. As we can see the price of Apple is clear back as 1984 to currently recording this video in 2025 completely for free.